Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be cooking something today. So this is actually like a breakfast idea type of cooking tutorial. So yeah, so I'm cutting my onions, and actually I'm going to be making, it's quite simple. The thing is, I wasn't actually meal prepping for this particular meal, but like meal prep means like you can like combine your meals together and just like mix them and stuff. So I'm actually just showing you guys some procedures I go through when I'm trying to prep something to eat. So as you can see, I'm just cutting like peppers. So I'm going to be making this kind of like seasoned, like sauteed, is this sauteed? No, saute, I don't know what it's called, but like I'll put it on the screen because I can't remember how it's pronounced. So I'm just going to like cut these peppers, and I'm going to like season it with like spices, herbs, garlic, stuff like that. That is what I'm going to use to, prep this meal, Yeah, so I'm done cutting it and I'm just putting everything together. And so right now I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare the meal. So I'm actually using avocado oil. I don't think it's actually like one of the best alternatives if you're trying to look for what kind of cooking oil to use. So I just put the onions inside. Let me know in the comment section if you guys actually like the voiceovers compared to just like watching me cook and stuff. If you guys want me to be interacting with you guys, like talking and stuff like that. So I put like my garlic and herb spice, and I'm mixing everything, mixing, I'm going to get my spinach, just adding spinach. So I'm just putting in like my parsley flakes just for an extra, flavor to my meal. Before I say flavor, for an extra flavor to my meal. So I'm just going to leave that to simmer for a bit. That's done. So I'm using my coconut oil to prepare the egg, as you can see. So I just spray that. Then I use my egg whites. This is the one I always use anytime I am trying to prepare my meal. So so I just pour it into the frying pan, and I'm just going to leave it to sit until I see it like become like form into this white stuff. So I'm just like waiting. And after that's done, when I begin to see like the whiteness coming through, I stir my frying pan. I'm mixing it, and basically I'm making scrambled eggs. That's what I'll call it. But as you can see, I actually don't add any spice. I don't add anything. I don't even add, you could add spice, but like I do not add salt. Like when I cook my meals, I barely like add salt into my food. I don't. Now I am adding my chicken sausage. You could use turkey. Yeah, you could use turkey or chicken sausage for your meal. So I'm just mixing that up together, and yeah. done cooking, and now it's to prep the meal. So basically that day I just had the what's it called, I have my egg whites with my chicken sausage inside. Then I also had some mixed veggies inside. So I always like getting like frozen veggies and stuff to prepare my meals, because like it's so much easier than like cutting up your own stuff. And I'm also going to add in like the peppers I made in the beginning of this video. Yeah, so basically this is a high protein breakfast type of meal, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to check out my fitness page on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.